Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to set up email for beatrice.xyz. So before now, I've bought the domain name beatrice.xyz from Namecheap. So very important, we need to set up email so that we can send and receive email using the domain name. It's very important that we set up email because everything we'll be doing going forward, registrations is going to be done with the email address. So it's very important. I decided to use Namecheap because it's very affordable compared to other services. Not as professional as Google Suite, but relatively affordable. So we'll be using the business email from Namecheap. Today we'll be setting everything up. So first you want to sign in or sign up to a Namecheap account. I already have a Namecheap account, so I'll be signing in. So a verification mail was sent. I'll quickly retrieve that from my phone. Okay, copy and paste. All right, so we'll just wait to get in. So like I said, I already have the domain name XYZ, beatrice.xyz. So what we want to do next is to buy a product. So we want to come to emails. So we can go from here, business email. Then one set the business email plan. So we'll be using starter. And we'll cover for a year business plan. Now note that the starter business plan, it covers just one domain name. So it only works for one domain name. So even if you are going for the ultimate, the business email only works for one domain name. So you can't have this. So here they say 5 mailboxes included. What 5 mailboxes included means is you can have hello at beatrice.xyz. You can have contact at beatrice.xyz. So that is what the 5 mailboxes, but it only works for one domain name. So please take note. So we'll be using this because we just want one for one domain name, which is Beatrice, and we also want for one mailbox, which is hello. I think we should do info at beatrice.xyz. Yes, so you click get started. So go ahead to purchase a new domain or use a domain you already own with Namecheap, or you could do a transfer. So here we'll use the one we already own. So you could see the total comes up to 14, they're about $15 a year. So here we select the domain name. So please take note, check before you continue. So you select the domain name you want. So 14.88. So once selected, you click on continue. Then it asks the number of mailboxes. So if you want to have hello at beatrice.xyz, Samuel at beatrice.xyz, so you increase the quantity. For now, we'll just keep it as 1. So we just need only 1. Then later on, you could add additional quantity as you wish. So we'll add to cart. Then I don't have any promo code for now, so I'll confirm order, and I don't need any additional add-ons. Yes. So confirm order. Then let's pay. So let's see so I'll be using funds in my account. So pay now. So we need to accept the terms and condition. Yes. Then pay now. Okay, I think it's good. So we are good to go. Yeah, so we've purchased it. So that is just one step. The next thing we need to do is to create the mailbox, then also set it up so that it could work with our name server. So first we can go ahead to create mailbox. Up. Okay, so first thing, let's go configure our domain name. So it points to, so for this tutorial, we'll be using DigitalOcean. So we have beatrice.xyz. So we'll click on manage. Then we click on, so it's already pointing to DigitalOcean. So I've done that already. The name servers are pointing to DigitalOcean, which is good. So what we need to do next is to go to DigitalOcean. Now you need to create an account with DigitalOcean or you log in. Now one trick with DigitalOcean is you don't want to create an account with a card that you've used before. So one card for one account. You want to take note, if not, your account will be blocked. So to create a domain name or to add a domain name to DigitalOcean, you go to manage. Under manage, I can go ahead to add it here, but under manage, you click on networking. Now under networking, you go to domains. Now here you see all your domain names. So you want to select the project you are working with. So in my case, I'm working with Beatrice. Then you want to click on Beatrice.x. So here we have beatrice.xyz, which is the domain name of registered. And we have the name servers. So we have ns1digitalocean.com, in which we've put in our Namecheap account. So the next thing we want to do is to set up the emails so that emails work. And any email that is sent to that domain name, it goes to Namecheap. So you can see here we have a domain name from Namecheap, but we have our hosting, which is a cloud hosting from DigitalOcean. So let's go back to emails. So we have beatrice.xyz. We click on manage. So you're already set to activate your email subscription to receive email and create mails. You must first set up the important DNS record from the table below. So first we want to do the MS record which point to the domain name, and we want to set the value to this. So we come here, we go to MX. Now, if you're using Google Suite, it's already it's easy for you to set up. All you have to do is click on this button and all the MS records will be added for you. But in this case, we have to manually set it ourselves. So what email server, this is the value. We want to set priority to 10. Now for time to, I think this is TTL is, let's see, what is TTL? TTL. Yeah, time to live. All right, cool. So we want to reduce the time, so I'll just use 3600. So this is the first record. Oh, why can't I create? Okay, I haven't put the priority. So create record. The second one we copy and we do add, we place the value 10 and 3600. We create. Now the third is a text record, txt record. So we go here and we place the value at pointing to the domain name, and time to life is okay, and we put that. Okay, so this has been configured. Auto renew every year. I think that should be unchecked for now. Okay, so catch all mailbox, create mailbox. So we want to create our mailbox. So we have 0 of 1 because we just got one mailbox. So we create mailbox. It will ask what will be the name. I'll say info, password. Now please, your password should be unique. Now it asks for what storage should be dedicated for this mailbox. I'll keep it as 5 gigabytes, which is the highest for this particular mailbox. And I think that is what I need for now, going forward. Save changes. You want to be careful to put the right mailbox address. So I'll click on done. Okay, so let's go back to private email. Let's go back to manage. Then let's see, how can I view my mail? So we have an option here called open webmail. So I click on open webmail. I don't think it will ask for any login details since we are opening it directly from Namecheap. Oh, it does. Nice. So yes, let's do this. Info at beatrice.xyz. Put the password, keep me signed in, and we log in. Save that. So I'll use my phone to send an email and we'll see if it goes through. So let's do this. Send into info at beatrice.xyz. Yeah, so the subject, I'll just put test, then the mail will be test mail. So send. Okay, so improve connect your device, so that I'll do later. So close. Welcome, I don't need a Tor. Okay, so we've sent and I don't know if, okay, I can refresh here. Okay, yeah, so we have our mail. So we can send mail. Sorry, we can receive mail. So can we send mail? So let's compose. No. So reply. Let's send. So I'll check from my phone. Yeah, I've received it. So, and I'm using Gmail. So you can see I sent and I received. So it's all good. So we can go ahead to update the name and all those info. But everything is working well. It's not going to spam and we are good to go. So that's all for setting up emails using Namecheap.